Today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can become a TikTok Shop affiliate without having to meet the 5,000 follower requirement. And if you're someone with less than 5,000 followers in your TikTok account, but still want to find a way to make money as a TikTok Shop affiliate, then this video is for you. The first step is to sign up for a TikTok Shop account, which is free. You would just need your basic info to sign up. Then the second step is to link your regular TikTok account with your TikTok Shop account. And I'll demonstrate how to do this in a live account. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is we're going to come over to Google. And you're going to type in TikTok Shop sign up. And then you're going to click on this first link right here. Once we've reached the sign up page, you're going to want to go ahead and enter your email to sign up. Once you've done that, you're going to enter a verification code that they would have sent to you in your email. And then you're going to want to go ahead and set your password after you've entered that verification code. Then you're going to want to go ahead and select your business type. If you have an LLC or a corporation, then you want to select which one makes sense to your business. But if you don't have any of that, then just go ahead and stick with individual. And then you're going to want to go ahead and verify your identification. So you're going to want to upload your passport or your driver's license. After you upload your ID, you need to make sure that the following information is exactly as it appears on your uploaded ID. That includes your legal name, your driver's license number or your ID number, your date of birth, the expiration date, and also your residential address. So you want to make sure that all of this information matches your ID. And on the bottom here, you'll need to fill out your social security number or your tax ID number. You just need to click next. For the primary product, you'll just need to select the category that describes the products that you're selling. This doesn't really matter since we're not looking to sell physical products. We're just looking to become an affiliate for other people's products. And next is to enter your phone number, which is for verification purposes only. Just enter your phone number you have access to because they will actually send you a code that you'll need to verify. And after you're done, just click submit. Okay, so we just submitted the information and it's under review. They'll notify us by email once the review is complete. All right, so I was approved. In a few minutes, you'll get an email like this saying, congratulations, your TikTok shop has been approved. And let's go back to the TikTok shop. So the next step is to add your tax information here. It's not urgent, but you still want to get it done as soon as you can. When you scroll down, you'll see an option to set up shipping. That's not something I'd worry about because we're not shipping anything to anyone. What we want to do, though, is to connect our TikTok shop account to our regular TikTok account. So to do that, just come to the shop icon right here. And on the top right, click this and go to my account and go to linked accounts. Here's where you can link the shop account to our regular TikTok account. And on this page, click on link official account. You'll see this QR code here. And next, you'll use your phone and go to the TikTok account that you want to link to your TikTok shop. So here's mine. Okay, so I encountered this error. This TikTok account has not completed the identity verification. All right, so we found the issue. So click here to complete the ID verification. So let's click this. And this is where we need to enter everything again and submit it. Okay, so after I submitted that, it says successful. Let's go back to the profile and try this step one more time. So we'll go back to TikTok shop. Come to this icon, my account, linked account, link official account, and we see this QR code again. So on the phone, I'll just tap these 3 lines, go to my QR code, and go to the scan button. And we'll scan this code, and we'll click on authorize. And we'll see this screen again. Check this box, and click on this account. And there we go. It says congratulations.